Ideal replacement. This park assist camera directly replaces a damaged or faulty original equipment camera for a dependable repair. Durable construction. This park assist camera features a high-quality, wide-angle lens for clear resolution and additional electronics protection for reliability in harsh conditions. Direct installation. This parking camera plugs into the vehicle's wiring using a factory-style connector. Quality tested. This park assist camera has undergone try-on, on-vehicle, and salt spray testing to ensure quality fit and durability. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This park assist camera matches the fit and function of the original equipment camera. A high-resolution, wide-angle lens provides excellent visibility, and a protective coating on the electronics ensures reliability under harsh conditions. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy DIY fix. My camera in my 2012 Kia Soul hasn't worked for years and the car dealership wanted so much to fix it I never bothered. I finally decided to try to fix it myself, best $160 I've spent. It took me under 10 minutes from start to finish to put the new camera in. All I needed was a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/2 inch combination wrench. YouTube for a video on what to do. It's really simple and works great. The black looks really good against my alien green car.